The song's about dishes. And it's also about Jesus Christ. Woo! We're kids building models of a world that we might want to live in. We're sorting feelings in our stomach. Is this liberation or starvation? But have we made it anywhere at all if the dishes are never done? If we can't live without dishwashers, how will we live without cops? And so you're asking me, who does the dishes after the revolution? Well, I do my own dishes now. I'll do my own dishes now. You know it's always the ones who don't who ask that fucking question. So I don't believe in God, but I'm also not an atheist. You know the universe is chaos, but chaos plays favorites. And you know lately I've been thinking about how I love Jesus. Because Jesus was a dirty homeless hippie peace activist. And he said, I'm about to find God to anybody who would listen. While turning water into goon bags. Turning water into goon bags. Turning water into goon bags with low life.